In this video, you're going to learn the 5 sales basics you must master if you want to make it in this crazy career called sales. These 5 sales basics is what I use today to close big deals and earn big ass commissions. So let's get started. So step number 1 is building rapport. If you can't build rapport with someone, then it's game over. It's basic. You need to be able to get someone to like you first. If you can't get someone to like you, then they're just not going to do business with you. It reminds me of that quote by Zig Ziglar. For every person you lose because you were just too enthusiastic, there's going to be 99 other people who will buy from you because you were just too enthusiastic. So how do you build rapport? Smile. Ask them about what they're doing. Talk about them. Listen to them. Remember, it's all about them. Also, you can't be fake about this. You can't pretend to like someone because they'll just pick it up. You have to really dig deep down to find that really compelling reason why you really want to build rapport with these strangers. So one trick that I do is that if you genuinely care about people and help them, they will help you back in future. So step number 2 is listening skills. Years ago, I remember reading a book on sales. This book contained pictures rather than text to convey the message on how to succeed in sales. One image that always stuck to my mind was this. It said that the very best salespeople aren't the best talkers, they have the biggest ears. It then showed a picture of a person with these really big ears. So one of the basics of sales is listening skills. If you don't listen to the person, they'll pick it up and you'll lose rapport with them. And also, another reason why you should practice listening is that you can uncover lots of information that can be used during the whole sales process. Listening for pain points, reason why they're looking to buy, what they're looking for, etc. This all helps you down the track when it comes to providing a solution. So step number 3 is a positive attitude. It's really easy to be positive at the start of your career in sales. You're going to be excited and you really can't wait to hit the phones. But then the abuse comes in, the rejection, the insults, then slowly negativity creeps in. You start blaming customers, the territory, and so forth. So if you don't maintain a positive attitude, you're going to fail quickly in sales. Having a negative attitude will destroy your career in sales because negativity will not push you to make more calls, ask for the sale for the 10th time, and keep pushing through. Sales is a marathon, not a sprint. It can take you months or maybe even years to close a deal because that's just the way it works. So it's really important to maintain that positive attitude along the way. Stay away from negative news, toxic people, and toxic information. All it takes is just one drop of poison in your coffee to kill you. So all of that negative sources of information really is poison in your career. So always stay positive. Step number 4 is courage. Sales is hard. It's not easy staying motivated, picking up the phone, cold calling people, getting rejected, making more calls, and trying to hit quota. Therefore, a basic skill required in sales is building courage. Without courage, you won't go far in sales. You'll always be scared of situations, people, and dealing with various personalities. Imagine walking into a boardroom filled with people all wearing suits looking very intimidating. You have to have the courage to speak with confidence, sell your product, and ask for the sale in front of everyone. To be successful in sales, you need to develop courage. Think of it like a muscle. It takes time for you to build it, and if you really want more courage in sales, then you have to keep on practicing more and more. Practice to be involved in situations that scare you. If cold calling scares you, do it anyway. If talking to more than one person scares you, do it anyway. If pitching to high-level executives scares you, do it anyway. Once you overcome that fear, you build courage and you become unstoppable. So step number 5 is lifelong learning. I'm always amazed whenever I come across salespeople who don't read books or take courses on improving their sales skills. It's like when they finish school, they stop learning. Sales is a lifelong skill that's worthy of study. And the great thing about it is that the better that you get at it, the more money that you make. You can get better through practice and repetition, but you can also save years of trial and error through learning from sales experts. So I highly recommend daily study and practice in sales. I always study every morning before I start my day. I always do some practice objection handling, pitches, and closing techniques. And the more you practice, the better you're going to get. And remember what Bruce Lee said, I don't fear the man who knows 10,000 styles of kicks. I fear the man who has mastered one kick 10,000 times. So I hope you like this video. So to summarize, there's the 5 basics that you need to get started in sales. Number 1 is rapport. Number 2 is listening skills. Number 3 is a positive attitude. Number 4 is courage. And number 5 is lifelong learning. So if you master just those 5 basic sales techniques, you're well on your way to becoming master at sales and earn big ass commissions. Make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Also, download my free book on sales simply by clicking on the link below. and you'll be able to learn these different techniques in which you can get more sales without cold calling. Thanks very much.